My weight was 210, and you know, for 5'9" body frame, that's a lot of weight. I used to get these light pains. It started, you know, maybe just a minute or two, then it started maybe, you know, 10 minutes. And when it started to last between 30 minutes to, you know, a couple hours, my wife was just very concerned. My at-rest heart rate was just very high now. It was at roughly 100, a little bit over. It's pretty severe history, you know, both on the maternal and paternal side. The males seem to have cardiac arrest and usually pass from it in their late 40s, early 50s. Happened to my dad, 2 uncles, my grandfather, and, you know, down the line. I went to my regular physician, had the glucose stress test and all that, and he gave me the bad news. He said, yep, I am. So I was kind of bummed about that. So I sort of started being careful, but I wasn't really 100% devoted. My first sort of evaluation was very thorough. They did a PET scan, did a stress test, and you know, when someone is putting that much effort, it just, me personally, I get really motivated to, you know, try to live up to that. So the dietitian showed me the test tubes where you had cheeseburger fries type of diet, you had, you know, fruit and vegetable type of diet, and the burger and fries was just huge amount and
huge amount of
fat. Yeah, and it was good to know because I live kind of a rushed life, so you know, it's a lot more convenience to go to one of the burger drive-thrus or one of those you know, Taco Bell's type of places. And so I basically quit that. Yeah, that was a big eye-opener. Trying to do what the dietitian suggested, replace the fat with muscle and, you know, live sort of a healthier, leaner lifestyle. And so indeed, I've lost, you know, a good amount of fat. Here at Century, you know, we have long interviews. They spend a lot of time, and they ask me what I'm struggling with and how they can help me, you know, stay away from temptations, or how to have something that's just not as bad for me. Chest pains definitely have gone away, not only because of, you know, the diet and exercise, but also the medical care and the medication. So those have gone away. My diabetes is, according to my endocrinologist, is well under control. I continue my, you know, walking, my light weights, my exercise bike, and you know, it helps. The motivation provided by, you know, Century steady folks, that helps too, because that pretty much told me, you know, if I'm feeling like, you know, I'm gonna fall off the wagon or something, just call and they'll talk and give me suggestions. And just things like that are very motivational and, you know, keeps my drive and my enthusiasm up.